Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me, Dishan Hormaz, and I'm again present with Hot Crypto project. You can see right here. This is LVT, and what is the benefit of LVT? Why we should buy the LVT? But this is not any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you guys about most trusted and reliable project. So, do your own research before investing in any project. And if you're new to the channel, so make sure please subscribe my channel for more interesting video, and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Dishan Hormaz. So let's get started about the low future finance. So you can also indicate from the main page of this token. You can see right here, welcome to the low future. From this dashboard you can view, manage and launch nodes. So you can also see, you can also manage a different type of nodes, and how can you do that I'll be show you in this video, so you don't worry about that. And you can also see how many rewards have been allocated and claim them here. They are here. Then if you want, you can use them to create a more nodes. There's no limit to amount of nodes you can create. So if you want to create any type of node, so you must be place the name of the node. After that you will be select amount of that, and after that you just simply click on this create a node and create a LVT nodes with a minimum of 100 LVT to earn lifetime high yield LVT tokens reward. Currently estimated reward at 7% LVT per one node per day. So if you want to create a one node, that means they will be they are give you almost 7.7% LVT per day per one nodes. So if you already think about that, because this is a main requirement of this project. You can see right here, create a LVT node with a minimum of 100 LVT. So make sure you will be what can I say about that, you will be understood that. And after that, if you want to connect them with the MetaMask, so you just simply click on that, and after that they will be directly connect to them. But firstly you must be create a node. After that they will be directly connect to your MetaMask. But right here, if you create a nodes and you'll stake your money right here, then they will be give you many type of reward right here. You'll be also claim them all one by one, and you will be give a benefit from them. After that, if you also you will be search about that. I want to just to click on that and just wait for that. This is the main page of this. You can see right here, the opening of your yields across different chains empowered by nodes. Enter the gateways of DeFi through or yield and producing nodes 5700 APY. Only 100 leverage token needed to get a start. Try it now. So you simply click on that, and also if you click on that, then they will be again come back to this page. And if you look to buy this one, so this is also right here. You can see from here you can click on that. But right here I just want to visit and the purpose of the white paper, because white paper is too much important for every project, because we want to what can then done in the past and what will be the planning of the future of this project. So right here, what is the LoveCherry and how does it work? So you must be click on that. Welcome to Love Future nodes. Enter right here. You just wait for that. After that I will be show you. And if you want to visit to their Twitter account, you will be get many type of giveaways and airdrops. So you must also visit to them, and I will give you all the links of recording related to this project in my description box. So you can click all one by one. So right here you can see this is a many type of, and you can see 9,934 followers of this project. And after that I just want to come back again to this page, and what is just I want to click firstly on that, because this is too much important question. And after that we will be study about all one by one. But right here I just want to show you. You can see if you want to buy LVT, so you simply click on that. After that if you click on them, then you will be directly come back to this one page. And after that anyone create a ERC20 network on Avalanche with any name, including creating fake version of existing token and token that claim to represent projects that don't have a token. The interface can load arbitrary token by token address. Please take extra caution and do your own research when interesting with the arbitrary ERC20 token. If you purchase an arbitrary token, you may be unable to sell it back. So we will directly visit from there the LVT token website. So you make sure you just click on that and connect. After that, you will be easily buy this one token with the pair of AVAX. But firstly you must be connect with MetaMask. But how you you must be installed firstly your MetaMask extension. How can you install? I want to show you in this video directly. You simply click on the right here, you simply search about Chrome web store. After that you click on the first link, and after that we just simply wait for that. After that you simply write here MetaMask. If you click on that, after that you simply click on that, and after that you just simply, if you click on the add to Chrome, then they will be directly add to your extension box right here, and you will be must access the MetaMask and create an account in MetaMask. After that you will be access and you will be able to buy this one token, and you have a must AVAX in your MetaMask wallet. After that they will be directly sweep to LVT token. So right here I just come back to again the main question, what is LVT. So you can see right here has been designed to open a doors of DeFi to anyone through a multiple channel processing node. So this is a multiple channel processing nodes, and in a nutshell we aim to DeFi as a service instead of navigation bleedly between the 300 different protocols. In a DeFi you would just have to use them and do one platform. So this is all about that. They just simply work on multiple channel processing nodes. So you can also know about that, because I already told about that what can then done. Because if you look to the main title of this project, then we directly understood what can they want and what will be do in this project. So if you buy this one LVT from here, after that right here you can directly see some many type of reward, and you will be claim all them one by one. So this is all about the LVT. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, so please subscribe my channel for more interesting video. And if you want to more airdrops or more giveaways, so you must be follow my Telegram channel. I will place the link in description box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.